So, if you've been listening to the show so far, one thing you'll probably realize is I have tested the different sound levels. But I forgot to test the sound levels in game because when you actually pause the screen, sound levels are lower, sound-wise, than when you unpause. So let's see where we start at now. We're 25. This is 25. And now we're 25 outside the game. And we're back in. I wonder how this sounds compared to fighting and breaking things. Here, I'm gonna open up a door. Whoa, I opened a door. Jumping. Like, I feel like the fighting sounds should probably be louder. Alright. Where do I go next? This way, I think. Now, we're gonna get some crashing sounds here for sure. Smash, smash, smash. Lots of fighting. Is this too loud to hear me? Is this too loud? Is this too loud? I'm punching and fighting. I wonder if there's too much noise coming from the sound effects. This sounds a bit crazy now, to be honest with you. Yeah, it sounded a bit crazy. I'm not sure if that might be too loud. Yeah, that might be too loud. I'm gonna pause it there for a second. Sound options. I'm gonna do sound volume of 80 down to 65. See if that's an improvement. Let's go. This is the sound volume set at 65. I hope it's not so quiet you can't hear it. But you gotta test these things, you know? Because when I go live, this is just a private show between me and you. But when I go live, I want these sounds to be right. Alright, is there anything else I can use to make sounds? Oh, here we go. Got a key. That's definitely gonna summon something. Collect some potions. Oh, nice, some centaurs. Let's throw some bombs. Okay. It's fine. There's some broken glass in here. Nothing for me to break though. Hey, what if I break this glass? How was that? I wonder if I've done enough sound tests for now. This is at a 65 sound test. Got lots of enemies, lots of fighting going on. I'm not speaking too loud, I'm just kind of speaking slightly quiet. For some reason. Oh no, watch out. I'm dead. Now there's some big sounds, but like, that's kind of different, you know? Okay, I'm out.